Welcome to this presentation on evaluating expressions. We're going to just do a few examples, building on what we learned with the order of operations. So let's start with our first example here. You got 4 times 4 minus the quantity of 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5. So you got to remember PEMDAS, right? Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. If you need more explanation on this, go back and look at the video on order of operations. Otherwise, let's just keep going. So parentheses, so we're going to take care of what's in our parentheses first. What's in our parentheses is this right here, 4 plus 5. So what I would do is I would write down 4 times 4 minus 4 plus 5, which is 9, right? Because parentheses, that's first. There's no exponents, there's multiplication. 4 times 4, which is 16. 16 minus 9 is what? 16 minus 9. Well, if you're at 9 to get to 16, how many places are you going to go? You're going to go 7 spaces, right? On the number line. So that's number 1. Number 2. It's a little bit different, right? We got a couple of parentheses. Well, if you got a couple of parentheses, you always do the innermost. So if you got multiple grouping symbols, remember this. If you got multiple grouping centers, you start with the innermost grouping center symbols, which is this right here, which is 3 times 2. So what I would do is I would write down 18 divided by, I'm going to put my parenthesis, open this parenthesis, these parentheses here go together, right? 3 times 2, that's my innermost, which is 6. I'm going to close that parenthesis, plus 6. And what's that equal to? Well, we're not sure yet. Now, if you're using your calculator, you got to put these parentheses in, right, or you're going to get something crazy. So now there's no exponents. There's nothing else to multiply. We got division. So you're going to do 18 divided by 6. Sometime 18 divided by 6 is 3, right? So now you're left with 3 plus 6, which is equal to 9. So that's example 2 here. Just remember to start with your innermost set of parentheses. Number 3, once again, multiple grouping symbols, but you always start with what's innermost. And notice how when I work these problems, I go ahead and write down everything. Don't try to hold, I think a mistake students make or people is they try to keep too much in their head. Don't do that. Just write it down. Actually save you time in the long run. 4 minus 2 is 2. We'll close that parentheses. So now you got 12 divided by, well, what's 6 minus 2? If you said 4, that's right. So now you got 12 divided by 4, which is equal to 3. Notice I rewrite my division this way just because I like it better that way. 12 divided by 4 is 3. If you're confused there, just remember 3 plus 3 plus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's equal to 12, right? Which is the same answer. Number 4 is pretty straightforward. Just write down PEMDAS 2. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Notice how I keep what I'm learning here written down so I can see it. Well, there's no parentheses, no exponents, no multiplication, no division, so we're going to go down to addition. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 5 minus 1. 4 plus 5 is 9 minus 1. So you got 8. Once again, I just wrote down every single step. So that's 4 examples on evaluating expressions. On this worksheet, I've got 16 more problems that you can do on your own. I've got the answer key along with it, so if you're still struggling with it, what I would do is print this off. It's at algebraclassnotes.com. If you're on YouTube, you should be able to follow the link in the description menu to get there. Good luck.